Okay, so this one I can't get two credit cards in. I'll let you see that, and then let's put the credit card in. So there's the credit card. This, of course, is what it looks like before there's no drywall. There's the credit card. So I guess that's where you can have, when that big gap, you can have water, which can accumulate back here. And then if you got water accumulating back here, of course, that's where you can have your possible potential moisture issues, mold growth, and everything